Hi guys, I hope you're well. If you don't know who I am, my name's Thomas Blakemore and I'm a teacher here in Dubai. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to create a talking Bitmoji as I am doing now.
Let's jump straight into how to create a talking Bitmoji. First, open up the Bitmoji app. Once you've done that, search and select the Bitmoji that you would like to use. One with a closed mouth is usually preferred, but we're also going to look into how to create one that has teeth showing. Once you've done that, make sure you save the Bitmoji and then go onto the iFunface app. Once you're on the iFunface app, go onto Create New, Upload, and click on the Bitmoji that you've just saved to your phone. Once you do that, it will take you through to a range of separate pages. The first one will just get you to crop if you want to. I don't usually touch that one. The next one will take you to selecting the face. It's a coloring tool where you need to color in the face on the Bitmoji. You can use the erase tool to just finely chop out the bits that you don't need, just to make it as clear as possible. After that, it then takes you to identifying the mouth. Place the triangles either side of the mouth and place the circle on the center of the mouth. The lower circle can then be spaced according to how big you want the mouth to be. Once you've done that, press next and it will take you through to the recording stage. Record the voice message that you want on your phone. After you've done that, you can play around with the different voices on the side by the speaker, and then you will have something that looks a little bit like this.
Hi guys, welcome to my standing Bitmoji. I hope you enjoy the voice.
Similarly, for Google Classroom Bitmojis with a full background, first thing you're going to need to do is to go onto your Google Classroom with the Bitmoji included. You're going to take a screenshot and crop it down as needed for the iFunface. You're then going to go onto iFunface, upload the Google Classroom with the Bitmoji on. From there, you're going to follow the similar procedures and you will need to crop it if you need to, identify the face, make sure you use the erase tool to just trim out the bits that you don't need. Once you've done that, select the mouth. If you have one that has teeth, then make sure that the circle, the top circle, goes halfway between the teeth. That way it will create the effect of the mouth opening. From there then, you will then need to record the voice, and as before, we'll have a voice like this.
And this is how you create a classroom talking Bitmoji. Hope you enjoy this one.
From there then, we're going to upload it onto Google Drive so that you can share it with your class. Open up the Google Drive app, select the video that has been created by iFunface and simply upload it. On Google Classroom, the way to share it with your class then is to simply go to Create, Material so that children only see the thing that you're sharing. And you're going to go to Add, Google Drive, and you'll be able to upload your recents as we've shared before. And then from there, once it's done, you'll be able to post it there too. And that's how to create a talking Bitmoji that you can share with your class. Hopefully you found this video informative. If you have, feel free to like it. If you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe and welcome to the channel. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one. I'm going to be continuing with these Bitmoji tutorials, and I've previously made Bitmoji tutorials that you can see within my channel. I'll see you in the next one. For now, I'm out.